I started a new series, and the series is called One Flavor, One Color, and it's where I make desserts that are one flavor and one color. I color things with fresh fruit and vegetables. Comment down below your ideal flavor and color pairing, and who knows, maybe you see a comment on one of my videos. Also, comment down below whether you think I passed or failed in getting the color and flavor pairing correct. I'll link my other videos in the series down below where it goes more in depth about the series, and you can watch what other colors I've made so far. I upload every day, Monday to Friday, and if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. The color for today is red, and I'll be using beetroot to get the color, and the flavor is strawberry. So I'll be making red molten lava cakes. Trim and roughly chop 5 beets. Place beets into a medium pot and cover with cold water. Heat over medium-high until the mixture starts to boil. Reduce the heat to medium-low and allow the beets to simmer uncovered until about a quarter cup of liquid remains. Remove the pot from the heat and strain through a sieve. Allow the beet juice to cool completely before using. In a bowl over a double boiler, add 4 ounces of white chocolate and 8 tablespoons of butter. Stir until smooth. Oh no, mine just split. This happens because white chocolate is such a high cocoa butter percentage, and if the heat is too strong for it, it splits. I saw that something was wrong, but I just ignored the problem and I carried on, and I added 1 cup of icing sugar and I mixed, and that was not a great idea. My white chocolate had split and it went all grainy and oily. But there's a quick fix for this. Add 1 teaspoon of hot water at a time and whisk vigorously. I ended up adding 3 teaspoons of hot water to the mixture and whisking vigorously. Look how smooth and silky that is. In a bowl, we'll stir the 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks. Stir in 1 tablespoon red food coloring. Mix until well combined. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Mix until well combined. Add 6 tablespoons of flour. Mix until well combined. Add the white chocolate mixture and mix until well combined. Smooth the batter into some ramekins. place the ramekins on a baking sheet and bake at 230 degrees Celsius 14 to 15 minutes. Bake until the sides of the cake are set but the center is still soft. Around the edges just to loosen the cakes up a bit. Put a plate over the ramekin and then flip the ramekins over. When I removed the ramekins, it didn't go as planned. It broke, so before I could cut it or put icing sugar on, it already broke and the gooey inside was already pooling out. So let's do that again. So I repeated the same steps by putting a plate over the ramekin, inverted the ramekin, and I was like very nervous to remove the ramekin, but I gently removed the ramekin and thank goodness it didn't break. I dusted with icing sugar. And I cut open and look at that gooiness. It looks amazing. I'm so happy with how it turned out and I urge you to make this at home. It was amazing.